I want to try it again. Because the third, I think we will won. I will end soon because it's already 7:30 here. John Renz, ano na? Ali, hello. Talo nga siya eh. Talo nga siya ng ano eh. Feel ko pang the third one, I think we will won. Gagi, naka 13K na sana ako. Sayang 2K. Mag-end na ako, John Renz. Guys, you try it na. You try again. One more. John, if no, I will end, promise. So stressing. Hindi niya kaya ibigay, no? Di pa kasi lintik binawi. Binawi niya yung pinanaluhan mo, Janarans. Hi, Lucy. Hawak mo ang beep, hawak mo ang gabi. Kung si Renz, it's ano lang, 800 lang yung puhunan. Then you have one more, then you try it again if you. Oh my God. Gagi, sayang 3K. Try mo na, mag-e-end na ako, nainis na ako. 14K na sana ako, sayang 3K. Try mo na, Renz. Dali, mag-e-end na ako. May pasok pa ako. Jackie. Gagi, sayang 3K. Renz, asan na? Mag-e-end na ako. Gagi, na 6K si Renz, si Janjan sa akin. Beren, hello. Janjan, sorry. If you lost 3K. I'm so sorry, Jan. Oo, last lang. No, it's not me, it's not okay. Ba't 800 lang? 1K yun. Yan. Renz, 1K yun, Renz. Gagi, 1K yun, hindi naman 300. Ay, 400. Kulang. Kulang yung ano mo. Isa pang 1K recharge. Ang ina, sayang 3K. Bobong boke. You're taking all my money. Low. It's a gambling. You said game, it's a game. Don't worry. Dan Renz is he he try it again. After that I will end. Sheep life. Bigo, it's crazy. You lost 3K for nothing. I only got 150 for that. Four hours na ako naka-live. Wala pa akong tulog. You tried the 3K gift. Asan na, Renz? Dali na, Renz. Ang dami mong dada. Mag-end na ako. Bahala ka dyan. Send mo na, Renz. Mananalo na yan. Pang-apat na yun eh. Clown, hello. Yan, send mo na.